Can we imagine a world where service robots outnumber human beings? A world where robots are not just a part of our lives, but an integral part of our daily routines. Welcome to the not-so-distant future, where this could very well be our reality. Picture this. By the mid-30s, we could see the number of service robots worldwide swell to a staggering 1 billion. Yes, you heard that right. 1 billion service robots whirring and buzzing about, working tirelessly to make our lives easier. Now, these service robots can be broadly categorized into two groups, personal and professional. Each has its unique roles and functions, so let's break it down. Personal service robots are the ones you'd find buzzing around your home, doing everyday chores and tasks. These include your robotic vacuum cleaners, automated lawn mowers, and even toys for your children. They're the personal mobility machines that help the elderly and the disabled navigate their surroundings. They're the pet exercise robots that keep your furry friends entertained when you're away. On the other hand, professional service robots serve a more commercial purpose. They're the ones under the watchful eyes of trained professionals, carrying out tasks that require precision and expertise. These include medical robots that perform intricate surgical operations, firefighting robots that brave the flames, automated security patrols keeping an eye out for trouble, and even the machines that keep our public spaces clean and hygienic. And let's not forget about the delivery robots, the ones that bring your online shopping haul right to your doorstep. Industrial robots, while not as numerous as personal and professional service robots, also hold a significant place in our society. They're the backbone of manufacturing, tirelessly assembling, testing, and packaging products on the factory floor. These robots are not just pieces of machinery. They're smart, capable of recognizing and interacting with countless objects, and providing real-time information to customers. And the implications of this rise in service robots? Well, it's projected that manufacturing jobs in the United States could largely disappear. A sobering thought, but as with any technological advancement, there's always a shift in the job market. So how is all this possible? It's thanks to the exponential improvements in technology over the years. Machine learning, cloud computing, bandwidth, sensor technology, and the list goes on. So, there you have it. A glimpse into a future where service robots could very well outnumber us. A future where robots are not just part of our lives, but an integral part of our daily routines. A future where we coexist with 1 billion service robots. Quite the thought-provoking image, isn't it?